What? Oh, it's recording.
Mommy.
I'm gonna budget.
Mommy.
Spending.
A buyer.
Thing.
You're spending money, your
A
allowance.
buyer.
Today on the channel, my oldest son is going to share with you how he budgets his spending money. So what he chooses to do with his money is his own opinion. So thank you guys for giving us a thumbs up on this video, and make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, right?
Mm-hmm.
Can you say it?
Like and subscribe.
Thank you.
Hi, and welcome back to another video. Today we'll be working on my spending allowance, week 2 of April. Week 2, April. Now my starting balance, I'm going to count my starting balance.
All of it in there is yours.
1, 2,
The change too.
3, 4.
And then you figure out what you're gonna do with the change.
This is $4.27. Put that off here. So starting balance, $4.27. Weekly allowances, $20.
And then you count it.
So now I would have. I gotta count the money.
Yeah. Start with the biggest bill.
10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Okay, and how much do you have all together now?
Oh, I have $24.27.
Okay, so now you have to break down the money. You break it down. So what are you doing first?
Okay, going to tithe $2. Savings $2, and I will take the $20 for myself. Spendings. And the 27 cents will go in the change jar.
So you just need your tithe and your saving envelope, right?
Tithe, I will take $2. Hold on, sorry. I messed it up a little. $2 the tithe. Okay.
Let's get my money.
Savings. Also put $2. Be quiet. Oh gosh. Gotta wait. Okay, we have $2 in savings. And then change. You guys can see the change jar, right? Okay, we're good. Thank you for taking the cover off. Put this in there. 27 cents.
Now how much do you have for spending?
Now I have 10. We're gonna count it again. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, $20 for spending. we're gonna put it in here. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe if you're new.
Say bye. Say peace. Say
Bye. Please like and subscribe.